In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and see all files in conversation on Facebook Messenger PC. Alright, so I'm starting right here on Facebook on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is head up to the top of the screen and click on the Messenger icon. It's that chat bubble icon you see up there, so I'll just click on it, and once I do, my list of conversations pops up. Now from here, I'm going to choose a contact or a group where I want to find the files that were shared, so I'll scroll a bit, look through my chats and click on the one I need. Once I click it, the conversation opens and now I'm inside the chat. At this point, instead of scrolling through messages trying to find files manually, I'm going to go straight to the section that organizes everything for me. So what I'm going to do is click on Media, Files and Links. This is where all shared content in the conversation is stored. Once that's open, you'll see a few different options, and now I'm going to click on Files. So I'll just select Files, and right away it switches to show only the files that have been sent in this conversation. And just like that, you can now see all the files in one place. I'm just scrolling a little bit so you can see how it looks. Everything that was shared as a file is listed here, so it's much easier than digging through the chat. If you've ever tried to find a file by scrolling through messages, you already know it can take a while, especially in busy conversations. But here everything is organized for you, so you can just go through the list quickly. At this point, if you want to open any file, you can just click on it. I'll click on one here, and it opens right away so you can view it. Then you can just go back and continue browsing through the rest. Now I'm going to go back again just to show you how simple it is to get here. So once again, I'm on Facebook, I click on the Messenger icon at the top, then I select a contact or group, and after that I click on Media, Files and Links. From there I click on Files, and instantly all the files from that conversation show up. It's really quick once you know where to go. You can scroll through as much as you need, open any file you want, and just keep things organized without any extra effort. It works the same way for any conversation, whether it's with one person or a group. So once that's done, you now have access to all the files that were shared in that chat, all in one place, ready to view anytime. And yeah, that's pretty much it.